Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Ebere. This is Lizzy TV. If this is the first time you're joining me, you are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. And for my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always supporting me. There is still work for you to be done. Please, that notification bell, please turn it on. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I was notified that about 21% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel yet. So please, if you're one of them, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. So guys, today I want to be recreating Sisi Yemmie's recipe. She has a recipe for beans and corn. So today I'll be recreating the recipe. So I want you guys to follow me. Let's see. It's been like a really long time I ate beans and corn, and I think the last time I ate beans and corn was about, guys, it's been like a long time, like about 5 years ago. I don't really remember, but I sure know that my mom used to cook it once in a while and I enjoyed it. So today I'll be recreating the recipe. Let's see how it goes. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. Please guys. I'm still on my way to 1K and I really need your support. Your subscription will really go a long way in helping me grow. So guys, follow me to the kitchen. I'm already in the kitchen. Let's begin the cooking, the preparation process, and got results. After the cooking, got one results, whether it turned out to be fine or let's see. But trusting Sisi Yemmie's recipe, I know it's going to turn out fine. Guys, I've been eating corn for this meal, and the best corn for it is the one that you got straight from the farm, like a very fresh corn. But I couldn't get it in this market the day I went. The one I got was a little bit dried, but I had to first of all pre-cook it so that it will be soft before I add it to the beans. But fresh corn adds this sweetness to beans. Well, maybe next time I go to market, I'll be fortunate to get it. I have removed it from the stock. So once you finish removing it, this is how it's going to look. Then I went ahead to wash it. I had to wash it very well so that all these yama yama that you're seeing inside it, I'll get rid of them. So I had to wash them. I had to wash the corn very well. I had to wash it like 3 times. Then I went ahead to select my beans. Those of you that knows how to select these beans, this is a little bit of work. Trying to get rid of any stone in the beans. So you have to be a little bit diligent in doing this. Otherwise, you cook beans and stone together. So this will take a while to select the beans. I wash these beans like 3 times to get rid of any dirt in it. And all this dirt you're seeing inside it, I had to wash it like 2-3 times till the water runs clean. Please make sure you wash your beans very well, because some people use preservatives and dust from beans. Make sure you wash it first before you cook it. If you don't know, this beans is called black eye beans. You can use the red or the brown beans. If you don't have these, it will also go. Wash the beans till the water runs clean. Add water to a pot. Make sure the water is a little bit hot before you pour your beans inside it. Then I added a little bit of salt so the beans won't lose its taste while cooking. And it will also make it to cook faster. Let your beans cook on medium heat. Don't cook your beans on high heat. Okay? As my beans was boiling, I went ahead to grind my crayfish. Guys, there are sometimes I forget a lot of things. I forgot that I've not even grinded my crayfish. Thank God there is light. Grinding it in a twinkle of an eye, it was ready. Thank God for technology. Once your beans has boiled for about 20 minutes, set it down, drain it and wash it like about 2 times, 2 or 3 times till the water runs clean. Also, you can see how dark the water is. Just try as much as possible to wash the beans to get rid of all this black water from it. Then pour it back into the pot and continue cooking. I'll be needing a clove of garlic, red onions, I already sliced it. I'll be using, this is tomato paste, I fried it already. I'll be needing my stock cubes. This is star, Maggi star. Our popular Maggi star. I'll be needing my red oil. This is palm oil. And then I'll be needing crayfish. Guys, beans requires a lot of crayfish, like a lot of it. This is pepper. I like my beans to be hot, So guys, go ahead to pour your corn, my pre-cooked corn, inside my beans. I already pre-cooked this corn because it was very dry, guys, very dry. Added my onions, my garlic, my fried tomatoes. I'm adding my pepper. Then I'll add my star cubes. This is my Maggi star. My star Maggi cubes. I'll be adding 2 of it. Then once you've finished adding all these things, turn your beans, turn the combo together. Don't forget your crayfish, a lot of it. Guys, a lot of crayfish. This is fried fish. I don't have smoked fish. If you have smoked fish, you can use smoked fish, but I don't have smoked fish for now. So all this fried fish I had in my fridge, I had to add it. I'm adding red oil, my palm oil, to my beans. See how the thing is sizzling and boiling and simmering. Turn everything together. Add your salt to taste. Guys, the aroma of this food no be here. It's scenting everywhere, like every nook and cranny of my house. Okay, guys, let's wait for this food to get done. Yeah, this is the outcome of the food. Is looking very fine and delicious. It's looking yummy, yummy. Guys, are you thinking what I'm thinking? That my Ijebu Gare from my trip to the market. If you have not watched that my video, go and watch it. Guys, I'll leave the link in the description box. Let me know how you enjoy your beans. For me, that Ijebu Gare, I'm going to enjoy it with this beans. So, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like and share my videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.